Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. But ambition without morality? It's a vulture. Success requires intelligence, but it must be accompanied by moral values. Without boundaries, we lose our identity. And what about ambition? Living a simple life is fine, but we missed out on making a meaningful impact. Excessive ambition without intelligence leads to destructive paths. Force becomes a substitute for true intelligence. Is that the kind of intelligence we seek? Let's pursue ambition with integrity and strive for a better world.